The idea of humanoid robots living and working beside humans once belonged only in science fiction movies. For decades, people imagined intelligent machines walking through homes, factories, and cities while helping humans complete daily tasks. Today, that vision is becoming reality through Tesla Bot Gen 3. Tesla's newest humanoid robot is designed to do far more than simply walk or perform staged demonstrations. It represents a future where robots may become active participants in everyday life. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is expected to combine advanced artificial intelligence, realistic movement, and real-world task handling into one powerful humanoid machine. Unlike traditional industrial robots that remain fixed in factories, Tesla's humanoid robot is designed to operate in environments made for humans. It can potentially walk through doors, climb stairs, carry objects, use tools, and interact naturally with people. But what does Tesla Bot Gen 3 actually look like working in real life? That is the question millions of people around the world are asking. In this video, we explore how Tesla's advanced humanoid robot could transform industries, homes, transportation, healthcare, and even daily human routines. One of the most important real-life uses for Tesla Bot Gen 3 is factory work. Tesla already operates some of the most advanced manufacturing plants in the world, and these facilities may become the perfect training ground for humanoid robots. Inside factories, workers often repeat the same tasks for long hours. Some jobs require heavy lifting, repetitive movement, or dangerous working conditions. Tesla Bot Gen 3 could help solve many of these problems. The robot may transport parts across assembly lines, organize equipment, inspect products, and support workers during vehicle production. Since the robot has a human-like body, it can potentially use the same tools and workstations designed for human employees. This means companies may not need to redesign entire factories for automation. Imagine walking into a Tesla factory in the near future. Human workers supervise production while rows of Tesla bots carry materials, install components, and inspect systems with incredible precision. The robots work day and night without becoming tired. They communicate with factory AI systems in real time and adapt to changing tasks instantly. This level of automation could dramatically increase productivity while reducing workplace injuries. Dangerous tasks involving heat, chemicals, or heavy machinery could be handled by robots instead of humans. Workers may shift into roles focused more on creativity, problem-solving, and management rather than repetitive labor. Warehouses are another major area where Tesla Bot Gen 3 may become extremely useful. Modern warehouses require workers to move thousands of items every day. Employees often walk long distances, carry heavy packages, and work under strict deadlines. Tesla bots could assist with inventory management, package sorting, loading systems, and transporting goods. Because Tesla Bot Gen 3 is expected to use advanced AI vision systems, it may recognize products, scan labels, and organize shipments more efficiently than traditional automation systems. Unlike fixed robotic arms, humanoid robots can move freely throughout warehouse spaces and adjust to changing environments. One of the most exciting possibilities is home assistance. Tesla Bot Gen 3 may eventually become a personal household helper capable of handling daily chores. Imagine waking up while your robot assistant prepares breakfast, cleans rooms, organizes groceries, and reminds you about appointments. Busy families may rely on humanoid robots to save time and reduce stress. Parents juggling work and family responsibilities could receive help with household organization and repetitive chores. Elderly individuals living alone may use robots for safety monitoring and physical assistance. Elderly care could become one of the most important real-world applications for Tesla Bot Gen 3. Around the world, aging populations are increasing rapidly while healthcare systems struggle with worker shortages. Many families already face challenges caring for elderly relatives full-time. Tesla Bot Gen 3 may help by assisting seniors with mobility, medication reminders, emergency alerts, and household tasks. The robot could monitor health conditions and contact emergency services if something goes wrong. For people who require daily support but still want independence, humanoid robots may become life-changing companions. Another major area of real-life use is construction. Construction sites are dangerous environments filled with heavy materials, unstable structures, and physically exhausting work. Tesla Bot Gen 3 could help transport tools, carry materials, and assist with repetitive building tasks. One of the most fascinating aspects of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is how it may learn over time. Traditional robots usually follow fixed programming inside controlled environments. Tesla's AI approach focuses more on adaptability and real-world learning. If Tesla Bot Gen 3 encounters a new situation, it may analyze the environment, process information, and make decisions dynamically. Over time, the robot could improve its behavior through experience. Entire fleets of Tesla bots may share learning data across networks, making every robot smarter collectively. Tesla's experience with self-driving cars may give the company a major advantage here. Tesla vehicles already process enormous amounts of real-world driving data using neural networks and computer vision systems. Similar technology may power Tesla Bot Gen 3. Voice communication is another area likely to improve significantly. Real-life robots must communicate effectively with humans if they are going to become useful daily assistants. Tesla Bot Gen 3 may respond to voice commands, answer questions, provide updates, and interact conversationally. Tesla Bot Gen 3 may feature lighter batteries, smarter energy management, and faster charging systems. Efficient power usage would allow the robot to work longer hours in factories, homes, and industrial environments. Some repetitive and physically exhausting jobs may become automated, but new careers involving robot management, AI systems, maintenance, engineering, and supervision could emerge. Society may need to adapt education systems and workforce training for a more automated future. Another concern is safety. A humanoid robot operating around humans must be extremely reliable. Tesla will likely need advanced safety systems ensuring robots can avoid accidents and respond appropriately in emergencies. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is not just another gadget or machine. It represents a major shift in the relationship between humans and technology. Instead of tools we simply operate, humanoid robots may become intelligent assistants capable of working directly beside us. Tesla's long-term vision may extend far beyond Earth. Elon Musk's plans for Mars colonization could eventually involve humanoid robots building infrastructure before humans arrive. Tesla bots may assist with dangerous space missions, equipment transport, and planetary construction. Affordability remains one of the biggest challenges. Advanced humanoid robots are extremely expensive to build today. For Tesla Bot Gen 3 to become common in homes and businesses, production costs must eventually decrease significantly. Tesla has already demonstrated the ability to reduce costs in electric vehicles through large-scale manufacturing. If the company applies similar strategies to robotics, humanoid robots may eventually become affordable for businesses and even middle-class households.